Dan asked me, what amount of medium should we use on our brush for each layer of acrylic paint? This question arises out of the fat over lean principles in oils, although for acrylics it may be irrelevant. And Dan found a commentary online that said, you know, how do you paint acrylics fat over lean? And the answer was you don't. One of the advantages of acrylics is their chemical simplicity relative to oils. It's not true. There's actually way more chemistry in acrylics. There's, you know, I did that super simple diagram. There's 27 ingredients in acrylic paint. Oil paint is a lot simpler, but that's neither here nor there. I think what they're trying to say is in the use, the simplicity and ease of use acrylics. So it's not the chemistry that's simple, it's how you use it. Anyway, so as the water evaporates, all the layers lock together into a pretty homogeneous paint film, so you can start with thin washes and gradually build up to thicker, more opaque layers, but this really has nothing to do with the fat over lean principle in oils. And if you're not familiar with that in oils, it's that you start with thinner layers and build up to the thicker, and that has to do with the curing and the drying and the brittleness of the paint film, and that's for another video. I'm sure someone's got that out there, but I don't teach that much about oils anymore since I mostly specialize in acrylics. So it's super cool because that's what I love about acrylics is there's no rules. You can start with a really thick layer and then you can do little tiny drops, very thin ink on top. The only thing I would caution you, if you haven't seen my worst mistake acrylic painters make video, please go watch that. I'm not going to go into what that mistake is or why or how. That's the only thing you need to know. Other than that, it's like wide open. Acrylics are super fun. You could try these different pastes and gels and put them in any which order you like. Doesn't matter. It's going to all bond, again, lock down into this molecular structure. And eventually, once all the water evaporates, you've got this very stable molecular structure.